I'm gonna still talk about it. Just be like, hey, look, she just got her nose pierced.
Okay.
Hey, look, she just got her nose pierced. That way, this way. Oh wait. There it is. Ta-da!
Baby.
You look good with your nose pierced. I think I look pretty good with my nose pierced.
I think so too. I mean, hey, do what you want,
Dog.
man.
Looking at it.
Dude.
Broski. Broseph.
Cheddar biscuit.
Talk really loud so the microphone can hear you.
I'm trying to talk really, really, really loud.
Took it out live.
Oh man, oh day. What are we gonna do with her? What are we gonna do with us?
Trying to stick through me.
Well, I don't know what you were doing.
Say goodbye.